In this video, we'll tell ChatGPT that it should imagine itself as a Warren Buffett, and from that point, give us an investment advice. Where should we invest our first $1,000 to make 10,000 in 5 years' time? And it will say, as a Warren Buffett, I would advise you to invest in a low-cost, diversified index funds that tracks the overall stock market, such as S&P 500. So pretty generic advice. But then you can also ask, well, can you advise me, let's say, in some stocks that I can invest in? And it should provide you some advice on that. So which tech stocks, for example, I can invest or are likely to be or to bring the most. And we'll say, as a language model, of course, it is not a professional investment specialist, but generally the big companies such as Apple, Amazon, Facebook, Google, and Microsoft are pretty robust in terms of bringing dividends. So you can invest in them. As always, buy low, sell high. This is not investment advice.